Good morning, guys. I am out at the Topeka Boat and Fishing and Hunting Outdoor Show. I am going to check it out and we're going to see what they've got available and also see what kind of stuff we can get into on fishing. So come watch Anna Banks Fishing Adventures and see what we can get ourselves into today. And don't forget, keep fishing, fishing, and more fishing. All of your crappie needs, being able to end up getting some really cool custom-made baits. You guys should check these guys out. Website is in the works. And not only that, but they make crappie poles too. Ice poles, so awesome. You guys should really check them out.
Yep, it's here. All right. Say it. Say it. Fish big or go home. That's it.
Yes, it is. I've watched it about a zillion times.
And you forgot it?
Just forgot it. Hi, how are you?
Good.
Yeah.
Tennessee. He has girlfriends all over the U.S. of A. I swear.
How are you doing, darling?
Hi, I'm Andrea. I'm the one. I'm the redhead.
Oh.
That's the husband behind the camera.
Don't pretend. I'm not here.
I'm not here. I'm not here.
I'm not here.
Yes.
This is Mondocat. Mondocat.
We made the trip a couple years ago when I first started. So,
Yep.
yeah. So we came to see you guys. Said hi and all that. So, but yes,
Good show yesterday. There's a lot of people.
Fish big or go home. Say it.
you gotta fish big and go home.
That's right.
And you gotta keep fishing, fishing, and more fishing too. So,
Say it again.
you got fishing, fishing, and more fishing.
There you go.
Yeah.